Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your membership on Whop. Alright, let's begin. Note that transferring your membership on Whop is not a built-in feature, but some membership creators may offer a way to do it. For example, the BetBall Body membership includes a section in their FAQ that explains how to transfer a membership between Whop accounts. To check if a transfer is possible, first go to your membership's FAQ. Look for any guidance specifically about account transfers. If nothing is listed, your next step is to contact the membership creator or support team. They may have a process in place or be able to authorize a transfer manually. If the creator can't help or doesn't offer this option, you can reach out to Whop's customer support for more information. They might be able to offer alternatives or assist you based on the creator's policies. Keep in mind that the ability to transfer a membership depends entirely on the rules set by each individual creator and what Whop's platform allows. So that's basically how you can transfer your membership on Whop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.